Yeah.
Ayo, what is up gang? It's your bro Francis back again with another reaction video. So this reaction video is going to be a special one for me personally because we'll be reacting to Michael M. Sailo, the legend. So he has this song called Little Angel. We'll be reacting on it, and for those of you who do not know, Michael M. Sailo was the one who paved the way for hip-hop in the Northeast. So rest in peace to the legend, and his legacy will remain forever, and we will never let his legacy be tarnished, be vanished. We'll keep it alive. So man, once again, rest in peace to the legend, and may God bless his wife and his children. So without further ado, let's just dive in and enjoy the ride and check out what our brother M. Sailo has for us on the table. Let's get it.
You're my honey bun, sugar plum, pumpkin. You're my sweetie pie. You're my cupcake, gumdrops, snickums, spickums. You're the
Very cute voice, very cute. Oh, so sweet.
apple of my eye, and I love you so, and I want you to know that I'll always be right here. And I love to sing 2 songs to you because you are so deep.
Little angel, don't you cry. I'm gonna sing you a lullaby. We're gonna make it through the night, so close your weary eyes. Little angel, don't you cry. I'm gonna give you a rockabye. I'm gonna wake you with the light, so close your weary eyes.
Little angel, I know there's a lot bothering you. My conscience tells me this ain't gonna do. I don't even know how I'ma get this through, but in time you understand how we act a fool. There were nights when I knelt beside your bed, wishing all the tears that you cry were mine instead.
Oh, wishing all the tears that you cry were mine instead. Man, this is true love, man.
Held a pillow, rest in your weary head as I put aside the bedtime stories we read. At times, I think I failed you as a dad with these memories of the good times we had. Picnics as a family of 3, shop for candies and Ice Age on DVDs. The evening, the doctor pulled out your first cavity. Beneath the pillow was a 20 for the tooth fairy. But life is such, the ones you love gotta go. How come?
Oh, the ones that you love go. This is what he said, right? Oh man, this is very sad, man.
Such, the ones you love gotta go. How come? How
The ones that you love gotta go. Oh man. Also, this song is was dedicated, I guess, for his son Brooklyn, because at that time his son Marshall wasn't born. This song is already 13 years old, I guess, or more than that also. Man, this is really, I don't know, man. I'm getting emotional.
long? I guess we never know. I'ma do whatever it takes, through the bends and shakes, bruises and aches, and I'ma watch you grow. It's scary, maybe, baby, you gotta be strong. Close your eyes as I play you the song.
Little angel, don't you?
This is a little bit like, Eminem and his daughter story. And very sad, man.
Cry, I'm gonna sing you a lullaby. We're gonna make it through the night, so close your weary eyes. Little angel, don't you cry. I'm gonna give you a rockabye. I'm gonna wake you with the light, so close your weary eyes.
There were nights you couldn't understand when I made you do things after you said you can't. Made you stay up late, way past your bedtime. You kept missing lines from your nursery rhymes, and though you hate it, it left you educated. Full marks.
Oh, though you hate it, it left you educated. We hate on our parents, we hate on our elders, on our teachers, when they try to teach us something, or when they let us do things, which we think we are not capable of. But then, in the end, it is for our good they do. At that time we may hate them, but in the long term, it's for our benefit, for our welfare only. Man,
stated, you earn it dedicated. Never would I leave, birthday kisses belated. Rest assured, together we gonna make it. Cherish the moments, you wake me every morning. Never seen me stop smiling since the day you was born. I'm sorry you called me at the office the other day. The lady had to tell you daddy was away. The truth is I'd rather hear your voice. After all, you're my little girl, my one and only choice. I'd rather give you piggyback rides. My arms on your side like ain't nothing else to hide. My hands on your tummy make you laugh when you're grumpy. Cheesy across the halls like Tom and Jerry. And I promise I'm always beside you, girl. Even long after death till the end of the world.
Little angel, don't you cry. I'm gonna sing you a lullaby. We're gonna make it through the night, so close your weary eyes. Little angel, don't you cry. I'm gonna give you a rockabye. I'm gonna wake you with the light, so close your weary eyes.
Last night, after the bedtime prayer at the open diary, I started to stare. Couldn't help but notice, couldn't help but care. Little angel, sometimes it's hard to bear. And I know I'm the reason those tears fall down. I see it in your heart when you don't make a sound. It didn't work out between me and your mom. I couldn't let the separation do you no harm. I know it ain't fair of how we both living. Deprive you of love you should be receiving. Age don't seem to make nobody wiser. Plus with the trauma, we started the drama. As grown-ups, we still do silly things. Pride make us fight.
Saying, there are many old people, people, they're aged already, but then, they act silly, they act like they are kids. That's what he's trying to say. And, with all the traumas started the drama. And the fights in the family. No, I don't know. I can relate, I'm relating to this song very much because even me personally, my family, my mom and dad separated when I was just a little, maybe 6 or 7 years old. So, man, this is really, painful, man.
Body wiser, plus with the trauma, we started the drama. As grown-ups, we still do silly things. Pride make us fight over small little things. This world that we live in is kinda complicated. Few years from now, you probably understand it. Till then, I hope you find a reason to smile. Though it's messed up what parents do to a child. And hope you forgive what your mommy do. Deep down in your heart, you forgive me too.
Little angel, don't you cry. I'm gonna sing you a lullaby. We're gonna make it through the night, so close your weary eyes. Little angel, don't you cry. I'm gonna give you a rockabye. I'm gonna wake you with the light, so close your weary eyes.
Goes out to all those who ever lost a mom or dad. Do this domestic violence and shit. My big ups.
So to all those who have lost their mom and dad, stay strong, man. Stay strong. And once again, man, this song was indeed, I don't know, I feel it's, and the song feels so personal to me and really loved it. And yeah, we'll keep his legacy alive and rest in peace to Michael and Sailo. And once again, may God comfort his wife and his sons, Brooklyn and Marshall. Stay strong, and yeah, we shall overcome, man. Yeah, Northeast for life.